Good afternoon everyone. In today's class of discrete mathematics, I will discuss the numericals based on solve in K-map. Karnauk mein I was discussing K-map since many videos, since many days. Today I will discuss the numericals. I have discussed all the rules for filling and the format also I have discussed. So let's see question number 1. Find the simplified Boolean SOP. SOP means sum of products. Using K-map, FABC is equal to sigma m 0 to 4 5. Okay, first check how many variables are given. Let's see. In this numerical ABC, 3 variables are given. So for 3 variables I have already told, convert it into 2 to the power n. Here 2 to the power will be 3 is equal to 8. So number of cells will be 3, 8. Simple. N is equal to 3, so number of cell will be 2 to the power n is equal to 2 to the power 3 is equal to 8. So we will make the K-map for 8 cells. 4 cell ऊपर, 4 cell नीचे, 8 cells. Next, it is the way to identify is it SOP or POS. You can identify by sigma and small m. If small n and sigma is given or any one of the two is given, it means it is SOP. Numerical is of SOP. Afterward, plot the values. I have told you 0, 1, 3, 2, 4, 5, 7, 6. I have already told the format of value, filling designation of cell also. Why we do this according to BCD I have already told. So just make 8 cells with 0, 1, 3, 2, 4, 5, 7, 6 position and fill 1 in the values which are asked in question, like 0, fill 1 at 0 position, 2, fill 1 at second position, 4, fill 1 at 4th position, and 5, fill 1 at 5th position. Okay. Afterward, yesterday I told how to make groups. So make the group of adjacent ones. Here you can see corners, we can make one group. Similarly, horizontally we can make another group in last row. Okay, so in corners, what is common? 0 is common. 0 is for variable a, so it will be a bar. It is product. So similarly in columns, what is common? 0, 0, 1, 0. Among this, 0 is common. It is for C, so answer will be C bar. So the whole answer of this group is A bar, C bar. Similarly for last group, second group, it is 1 in row. 1 means A. Column 0, 0, 0, 1. What is common? 0 common. It is for B, so answer will be B bar. Just put variable as it is. If it is 1, if it is 0, just put bar. So answer will be the sum of the two. A bar, C bar plus A, B bar. Just put sum, it is solved. Okay. Sum of products. First you must have to make product, then make sum. Okay. Next question. F, simplify F ABC is equal to sigma m. It is also similar question. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, here every value is given to fill. 0 to 7 means all 8 values are given to fill in 8 cells. As it is 3 variable K-maps, 2 to the power 3 is equal to 8. So whenever whole values are filled and it is a octet of 8, grouping of 8, so there is nothing common, answer will be 1 always. In every other kind of K-map also, for 2 variable, for 3 variable, for 4 variable also, if everything is filled, every cell is filled, answer will be 1. Okay. Last, third numerical. Simplify F ABCD is equal to sigma m 0, 1, 2, 4, 5, 8, 10. Here you can see the given variables are A, B, C, D means 4. So n is equal to 4, then number of cell is equal to 2 ki power n is equal to 2 to the power 4. 2 to the power 4 is equal to 16. So you will have to plot 16 cells in 4 variable K-map. 4, then 4, 4, 4. Just place the values or designation of cells. I have already discussed. 0, 1, 3, 2, 4, 5, 7, 6. Then come at the last 8, 9, 11, 12, 13, 15, 14. Just remember it. Otherwise, learn the logic. I have already discussed in previous videos. Then remember the value 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0. Afterwards, put the 1 in the given values in numerical. Put 1 at 0 location, put 1 at 1 location, put 1 at second location, put 1 at 4th location, put 1 at 5th location. Similarly, put 1 at 8th location and put 1 at 10th location. Afterwards, start grouping. Make grouping. Here you can see 2 groups are there. One group is of 4, another is 4 corners. Okay, just find the common things in rows and column and make the products, afterward convert into sum of products. So in 4, the group of 4, you can see the row common is 0 0 0 1, means 0 is common, 0 for A, so answer will be A bar, it is 0. Okay, for column 0 0 0 1, again 0 is common, it is for C, so C bar, A bar, C bar. Similarly for corners, row is 0 0 1 0, so what is common? 0 is common, it is for B, so B bar. For columns 0 0 1 0, so 0 is again common, it is for D, so D bar. So answer will be A bar C bar plus B bar D bar, or B bar D bar plus A bar C bar. किसी को भी पहले किसी को बाद में लिख सकता है, डेट्स एडिशन ना, सम ऑफ प्रोडक्ट्स, उससे कोई डिफरेंस नहीं आएगा. यू कैन राइट A bar C bar प्लस B bar D bar. ओके, ये सेम होता है बाय कम्यूटेटिव लॉ ऑल्सो, वी नो इट इज़ सेम. सो एवरी क्वेश्चन को पहले सेल्फ ट्राई करें, ट्राई दीज क्वेश्चन सेल्फ, देन चेक द आंसर और सोल्यूशन. These are very important numerical in question papers. 7 marks question will be come from KMAP section. Okay, just practice them well. Thank you for listening. It is very important to practice. Next I will discuss in other videos. Thank you.